Discover the vibrancy of premium student living at East Village in Charlotte, your gateway to an unforgettable university experience. Depending on the studio or 2 to 4-bedroom apartment you pick, you get a spacious bed, private bathroom, pillow-top mattress, a big screen TV to binge watch, and an in-unit washer and dryer for comfort and convenience. Your rent covers water, blazing fast Wi-Fi, cable, and printing. Now that's a killer deal. Hustle at the study lounge and avail the computer station for elevated studying. Hit the fitness center or take a dip in the resort-style pool to recharge. Then relax by the fire pit or play some outdoor games. This controlled access building has dedicated storage for your packages and vehicles for added safety. University of North Carolina at Charlotte and Johnson C. Smith University are a quick drive away. Making your trips to class a breeze, explore the city and beyond with buses from Mallard Creek Church Road and the train from UNC Charlotte Main Station. So don't wait. Reserve your spot at East Village in Charlotte via amberstudent.com now.